Good morning, class 12th. So, in this video, we will discuss about the solution of exercise, miscellaneous exercise of chapter 8 NCERT textbook. So, let's start the solution of exercise, miscellaneous exercise on chapter 8. So, I'm going to taking first question. Find the area under the given curve as y equal to x square, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2 and x axis. So first of all, find out the bounded region, where you have to find out the bounded region. X is equal to 1. For the negative and positive value of x, y is positive. So this. Now x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. This is the region. X is equal to 1, x is equal to 2. This is the region we find out. This is the curve y equal to x square. Now, so this is your using x and y. Required area of sided region. Sided region is called integration over 1 to 2 x square dx. This is the required sided region, which is enclosed between the line x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 2 and under the curve y equal to x square. So this can be written as x cubed by 3. So 2 cubed by 3 and by 3 minus 1, 7 by 3 is the right answer. So similarly you can solve the question 2 also. Find the area between the curves. Question number 2. Find the area between the curves y equal to x, y is equal to x and y equal to x square. So this curves represent a parabola and this curve is like this, y equal to x square, and we will put x is equal to 0, meaning y equal to 0, x equal to 1, y equal to 1. So this line can be crossed like this. This is the origin. Now this point will be put x is equal to, this point is 1. This line indicates the equation y equal to x and the curve of the parabola is y equal to x square. So the required region is this. The required area, how we can find out the required area of sided region? Required area of sided region will equate by formula 0 to 1 and equation x dx minus integration over 0 to 1 x square. And after solving this, we get the final result. We get the numerical value of the sided region. So moving towards the next question. Question number 3. Find the area of the region lying in the first quadrant and bounded by y equal to 4x square, y equal to 4x square, x is equal to 0, x, y equal to 1 and y equal to 4. For the positive negative value of y is positive, so parabola is like this. The curve indicates y equal to 4x square, x is equal to 0, y equal to 1. That is, this line indicates y equal to 1, and also this line indicates the y equal to, so for the required sided region is this part. So we want to find out the area of this region. We are taking a strip of vertical strip. For horizontal strip, root is given. So this function can be written as y by 4 equal to x square, yeah, or x is equal to root y by 2. So integration over 1 to 4 root y 1 by 2 into bar area. And after solving this, we get the related value of the area of this sided region. Now moving forward to the next question. Now the fourth question. Discuss the graph y equal to mod x plus 3 and evaluate. Minus 6 to 0 mod x plus 3 dx. So this function indicate the modular function and y equal to x plus 3 and x minus plus x plus 3 when less than or equal to 0 and greater than or equal to 0 when x belonging to minus 6 to minus 3 and then x will lie between minus 3 to less than or equal to 0. So if we want to trace the graph of this function, so function can be presented like this: minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So modulus function of this type can be presented like this: minus 3, minus 2, minus 2. Origin shifted towards at the minus 3. And the evaluation of this integral can be written as like this: minus 6 to minus 3 minus x plus 3 dx plus minus 3 to 0 x plus 3 dx. And after solving this within the limit minus 6 to minus 3 this interval plus minus 3 to 0 this interval, we get our final result. So and the sketch of this given function is like this. So moving forward to the next question, that is question number 5. Find the area of the bounded region. Find the area bounded by the curve y equal to sin x between y equal to sin x between x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2 pi. So first of all, draw the curve of sin x, and this curve represented the sin x. This is your 0, pi and 2 pi. Now the area bounded by the region is like this one is the and this area. So to find out the required sided region, to find out required sided region, integrate the given function within the limit 0 to pi sin x dx plus pi to 2 pi sin x dx. As we know, this sided region whose value is less.
All the subject nature of 9 to 12 going for C for 5 minutes only.
So this function lies in the fourth quadrant, and fourth quadrant in which x and y both are the negative axis. So value of this fx can be calculated in the mod. So this function gives minus cos x integration over 0 to pi plus in between mod minus cos x pi to 2 pi mod. So final answer is minus cos pi plus cos 0 and plus minus 1 minus 1, because cos 2 pi is 1, that is minus 1, and cos pi minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, and cos pi minus 1, that is 1 plus 1 plus 2 equal to 4 unit. Now the area of this whole bounded region is 4A. So moving forward towards our next question. Now question number 6. Question number 6. Find the area enclosed between the parabola y square is equal to 4as and the line y equal to mx. Y for the y positive negative y x is positive, so x positive is this, and this line indicates y equal to mx. Y equal to mx and the area y square is equal to 4as. Now we have to find out the area of the sided region. So first of all, calculate this point, that is to find out whether our limit. So to find the limit value, we can solve this equation. Put y equal to mx in this equation. M square x square equal to 4ax. X cancel. That is x is equal to 4a by m square. So to get the point 4a by m square is 0. Now to find out the sided region with the help of integral. So I am going to take the limit 0 to 4a by m square. Upper limit, that is the curve under 4ax dx minus integral over 4a by m square and equation of line mx dx. After solving this quantity, we get our final result. Okay. Now the question number 7 is the similar question number 8. Find the area of the smaller region bounded by the ellipse x square by 9 plus y square by 4 equal to 1 and the line x by 3 plus y by 2 equal to 1. So the ellipse can be drawn like this. This is the origin. And x equal by 9, this is the length of centimeter axis equal to 30, and this length is 202, and this is the standard equation of a straight line, that is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. So at the x-axis y is this and y is this. So this line is draw as this, and we get our bounded region, which is between the curve x square by 9 plus y square by 4 equal to 1, and this is the equation of line x by 3 plus y by 2 equal to 1. Now how we can find out the required sided region? So limit point is 0 to 3. Limit 0 to 3 and convert this point equation into the form of x. That is, we can write over here 9 1 minus x square by 9, that is 9 minus x square by 4 and root, that is 3 by 2 under root 3 square minus x square dx minus integration over 0 to 3 and equation of line 1 minus 2x by 3. And after solving this value, we get our final result. So this is the few questions taken from the chapter miscellaneous exercise of chapter 8. So this is all about the application of integral. In next video, we will discuss about our next chapter, which is differential equation. So try to solve all the remaining questions of miscellaneous exercises of chapter 8. Thank you very much.